I know someday we could finally be.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The last time you guys loved my $3.5 million Bed-Stuy home, so I had to bring you another one. We are back in Bed-Stuy, and this time we're going to see a townhouse that has 2 duplex units. The backyard is amazing. It's like nothing that I've ever seen before. Before we go anywhere, I want to shout out one of my subscribers who sent me this amazing suit from Trouser 9. I'm going to leave her link down below. She's out of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. All right, so let's go see this place. Chrisette is actually one of my subscribers who commented on the video, and I said, if you have any listings, let me know. And that's what I did.
Hey guys, thanks so much for stopping by. My name is Chrisette and I'm a licensed real estate agent in New York City. Welcome to 616 McDonough Street in beautiful Bedford-Stuyvesant, my hometown. We have 2 beautiful duplex apartments. One is asking the lower unit $4,200 and the upper unit is asking $5,000.
This tour is a little bit different because I usually either do an agent or I do it with the homeowners. But today we have Thomas and Irene, and it's their home, but it's technically not their home. Tell us why.
Well, this is really like a second home for us, and we were going to use it as a vacation rental, but then we decided to put it on the market as a rental.
You guys have a different story
Yes,
as to
well,
how you bought this home, why you bought this home.
Yes.
There was a little bit of battling.
But it still ends up the same place. In 2015, the owner of this property, which was an elderly man, he approached me and asked me that this house belonged to his aunt, which had passed on, and asked me, did I want to buy it, knowing that we did have 5 children. And like my wife said, we did do it for a vacation rental, but that's not the main reason why I wanted to buy it. I wanted to buy it for an investment for my daughters until, you know, they're able to move in here.
Okay, where I stand is that as soon as the rental part is over, we're moving in here because we have too many nice features in here for everyone else to enjoy and for us not at some point to enjoy all the labor of all our efforts to get this house the way it is now. Well, we'll start working on our house to renovate too, you know, eventually. But here we probably rented for about 4 to 5 years.
Probably.
Yeah, just about 4 or 5 years. And at that point, I think I'll be ready to move in, you know. Like I said, we wanted an open concept and we wanted a nice sizable center island that a lot of people can actually sit and enjoy themselves. It has the purple little dots in here and specks everywhere and gold and the silver and the gray, and that was so unique to us. Okay, so you know, I do love cooking, and of course, you know, my son loves to cook too as well. So we wanted all our guests or even our tenants who live here to enjoy and have that same feel, like a cozy home feeling. So we got a really nice range for them so they could do a lot of cooking here. And we kind of like went top of the line. We went to a Wolf. My husband Tom, and who is a fanatic about lights, trimmed around the cabinets and around the counter, the center island, with purple lights. He also put lights up here because if anyone knows us and been to our house, we have lights in the cabinets. We have lights around our center island as well. We do a lot of lights. We used to light up for Christmas too, the whole neighborhood. If you were in front of our house, the whole front was lit up, down to the stoop. So, but this is a great entertainment space and it flows right into the living room.
My architect, Michael McCall, who's a local architect in the neighborhood, we came up with the design to either put the living room here and the dining room over here. My wife and I was going back and forth for some time because she wanted the dining room over here and she wanted the living room over there. And I told her, I think it would be better if we set the living room up over here. This way it will flow right out into the deck, which would give us, you know, a little bit more entertaining, you know, space. Then with my architect also came up with these panoramic doors, which gives a lot of light in here. On nice days like today, I could take all the doors and just slide them back on all 3 floors.
I think we're gonna leave you because Thomas Jr., your one boy, has some food out here. I had Thomas come mainly because I'm a pretty selfish person and I wanted some food. If you guys don't know already, I'm extremely greedy. Thomas is a personal chef. He does a ton of events.
My name is Thomas Molzak. I am the founder of Mealzak Lifestyle and Food Solutions. Right now we have some of our specialty catering in addition to some of our seasonings that help bring that to life. And a part of my inspiration for that was my grandmother, who went to Tuskegee University and she studied home economics. So she definitely had a big influence on my cooking.
I think I want, let's start, where all soul food starts. Let's start with the mac and cheese.
Yes, that's a party favorite, something that everybody loves.
If anyone wants to hire you here in Brooklyn or anywhere in the city, tell them how to find you.
The easiest way to contact us is at www.mealzac.com.
I'm gonna eat this, and then we'll continue the rest of the tour. I'll be right back. Where are you guys originally from?
Brooklyn.
Are you really?
Mm-hmm.
How did you get to New York?
Oh, because
She met me.
What?
Uh-huh.
You moved to New York for him?
Yep.
right?
Yeah. I
Was it a good decision?
met her in the club
In New York or in California?
in New York in 1980, about 89.
So you came here to go to a club and you met this guy.
Yep.
We just came here to hang out. You know, we had girls who was coming to hang out, and we were just hanging out in the club. And then he wanted to buy some drink. I said, I'm drinking water. He went, water?
So how did it turn into married for how many years?
You know what I have in the frame? I have 2 cards with numbers on it. My number and her number.
You still have it.
Yep.
Chrisette, you're back.
I'm back.
We've got you back in the tour. We had a little bit of food downstairs, and now it's time to get to the rest of it.
Yes.
Show us the rest.
So here we have one of the 2 en suites on this floor.
So 2 rooms have their
Yes.
own bathrooms.
Yes.
That's perfect.
And what I love about this space, if I had to choose a favorite, it would definitely be this room.
The windows.
Yes, the windows and the positioning, right? So you're getting all this sunlight that stays in this room throughout the day.
The colors that they chose make it really serene. It's like all white room, so the light bounces off of it. And then just the serene blue. I feel like I'm back at home with my family in the Caribbean, which I haven't done in a very long time.
Oh, wow.
We need a vacation, but this feels like we're in a vacation.
Absolutely. So all of the bathrooms in this home give you that spa experience, right? I love the colors, and I love that this mirror is actually really cool because you can change the lighting. So if you wanted to take a selfie, that's the perfect mirror to do it in. So as we're leaving the bedroom, we enter into the hallway. And this hallway, behind each door, there's a surprise. You have your washer and dryer. Then back here, you have a little office nook where you can come and do your work. If you don't want to utilize the space in the bedroom, you can use the space here.
Now we have the second owner's suite. Just so you know, that's what we're calling it, guys, the second owner's suite. So it's like double the fun up here. Does this place come furnished? So if someone wanted to rent this space, can they get all the furniture with it?
They absolutely can.
Oh, that's nice. So you can leave all of that furniture you have in your current house, and you can come here and move into a bright, clean, spacious place. Put all that stuff in storage. I hear storage is pretty cheap these days.
So as you see, this bathroom is the complete opposite of the bathroom we had in the previous room, right? I absolutely love that you have this dual glass cabinetry on each side of the bathroom, right? You can store your linens and your clothing, and you know, you have the space to do it. So I love the space that this bathroom has, right? You have a dual vanity, you have a separate shower and tub, and I love the towel in here as well.
Guys, we're on the top floor. So this unit gets 2 floors
Yes.
plus outdoor space, right?
Absolutely.
So we're facing the back now. So you can see your patio down there, and then you get the tranquil view of all the brownstones on the top of Bed-Stuy.
So I imagine myself either sunbathing. I can also see a little jazz band up here playing as the sun sets.
The owners have tons of telescopes around here.
They do.
So when it gets dark,
Right.
you
so
can
we
see
just-
the sky.
the sky, the moon,
stars.
the stars, right?
This is a vibe. This is definitely a vibe I can get
complete
used to.
vibe. So now we're in the second unit. We're in the lower duplex.
Oh, this is nice.
We're in the main bedroom of this unit. As you can see, you can definitely fit a queen size bed. It's on the ground level, and though it's on the ground level, you don't get the noise from the outside. And one of the main features of this beautiful room is the original fireplace. What I love about, you know, the renovation that was done, of course he had to remove a lot of the original details, but whatever he could maintain, he did. And he left this lovely fireplace, which is a working fireplace, so it adds ambiance to the home. So we have the spa-like bathroom here, which highlights the rain shower head. You have the neutral colors in your stone flooring that just beautifies the space.
Before we go to the rest of the upstairs, I wanted to show you guys this first because when Chrisette sent me an email, she sent me a video of this living room space. And we're gonna see the outside. There's a freaking like jungle out here. But what is this space down here?
So this is the living area, right? So this is where you would come to lounge to chill out. And what I love about the space is that he had to excavate to add height to the ceiling.
So normally you would see this as a 3-story home, and then this would be the cellar, you know, where you put like your laundry room and everything like that. One of those rooms that you would never want to go to. But this is so unique, and I'm so surprised because they excavated
Absolutely.
into the rock. I mean, the permits must have been crazy.
Right, right, because it's not something that would normally be, you know, the space would be utilized as.
Right. So they made this, instead of having a 1-floor, 1-bedroom, now this person down here has their own private outdoor space as well. So you don't have to share with the other people.
So what he did with this space is he dug this out himself, bare hands, him and his contractor.
Because you can't get machinery down here, so
Right.
you have to do it with your hands.
Exactly.
Everything that you see here is rocks and stuff that he put
put it-
here.
Right.
This is not natural, even though it absolutely looks natural. There's a waterfall, and we're hearing birds. If the microphone is picking up, you're actually hearing birds. He made his own, Thomas made his own soundtrack.
His own soundtrack. So his soundtrack that he made himself plays all throughout the day, 24/7 on a timer. Well, we have our hammock here,
Yeah, we got a hand.
right? So if you had a long days from work and you decided that, you know, enough is enough, I need to chill and relax. And that's what I love about this space, because it takes you from the concrete jungle, right?
We definitely don't feel like we're in New York in this space.
So we're now in the kitchen area, which is the main entertainment, at least for me, the main entertainment space for this unit. So you have your stainless steel appliances, you have Gen Air, the high end, then you have all of this counter space to prep for your dinners with your family and your friends.
I know you said you have a daughter. What do you cook for her?
My favorite dish to cook for my daughter, I would have to say, is macaroni and cheese. That's her favorite as well. And I can just display it so lovely on this countertop here. So I love what the owner did with this space. Instead of leaving this area, you know, just plain, they decided to add cafe tables. So now you have even more space to entertain and enjoy with your family and friends. Finally, you have this outdoor space just for you. The space back there is designated for the tenants upstairs, but this space is perfect for you to enjoy. You have the panoramic doors that you can open and close, but still you have that indoor-outdoor living, which I think is absolutely amazing.
All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tour. We're gonna hang out for a little bit, get a second plate of food. But if you're interested in this home, you can reach out to
Chrisette, and you can find my information in Nyaja's description box.
down
Also,
there.
my social media platform, you'll find me there as well. Also, if you are interested in this lovely home, please feel free to contact me.
All right, we're out of here. Well, we're not, but you are. You guys want to say bye?